Namaskara. Good morning.
Good morning, sir.
Yeah, hi. So good to see all of you. We'll start our meeting in another 5 minutes, so all can join.
Hello.
Yeah.
Yes,
Yes,
sir.
madam.
Actually, Pramila Shetty is joining. She told
Okay.
now, but
Right.
regarding Deepa Vishna,
Yeah.
I don't actually called her now again. She told me she will join. So now she's
Okay.
not picking the call.
Okay. No problem. No problem. Yes. So another three
Yeah.
minutes, another 3 to 4 minutes, we will start the meeting. Okay. Yeah. So my voice is clear. And a voice clear unda matarigla.
Sir.
Clear on this, sir.
Yes. Okay. Okay. Fine.
Yes, sir. Good morning.
Good morning. Good morning, Shivanand Chitre. How are you?
Namaste, namaste. I'm fine, sir.
Namaskar.
Thank you.
Yes. So
Good morning, sir.
morning, Ravi. How are you, Ravi?
Yeah, I'm good, sir.
Okay.
How about you?
Yeah, I'm fine. I'm fine. Thank you. Okay. So good to see a lot of people today in the meeting. Another 3 to 4 minutes we will start. Now the time is 11:01. By 11:05 we will start the meeting. Okay. So you can invite anybody who is pending to come. You all can invite them. Okay. So today's meeting will be for only 45 minutes. Okay. So 5 minutes is going to be the meeting will start and we will end sharp at 11:40. So 40 minutes, sorry. So around 35 minutes will be the meeting. So I would like to give you more details regarding the business opportunity. And anybody having any doubts, they can send it in the chat. You can use the chat option. See, in the middle of your sheet, there is a chat option. Okay. So I will just send hi to everyone. You can ask your questions in this chat. Okay. So any question you are having, any doubt you are having, you can ask in the chat section. Okay. Yes. And we will be starting another 2 minutes. Okay. 11:05 sharp. We will start the meeting. So I will just share our main website. This is the main website, macassociates.in. Okay. So which language you are comfortable, can you please tell me in the chat? Which language is more comfortable for everybody? English, Kannada, Hindi. I will speak in 2 languages. Okay. English I will speak. Okay. And one more language, Hindi or Kannada or Tulu or any other majority language. Okay. So okay, English and Kannada we can mix and we can speak. Okay, fine. And English. Okay. Okay. So Avinash is saying English, Geeta is saying English, Sita is saying English, Avinash is saying English or Kannada. Yes. Okay. We will mix and I will speak. Okay. Not to worry. And yes. Fine. Okay. So any questions you want to ask, you can ask in the chat. Okay. Ravi has given some useful numbers in the chat option. Please copy this. Okay. Important links to start your business. It's already given in the chat. Please copy paste it to Notepad or Word or anywhere where you can see, because ಒನ್ಸ್ ಮೀಟಿಂಗ್ ಇಸ್ ಓವರ್, ಮೀಟಿಂಗ್ ಮುಗಿಯುವಾಗ ಇದು ಡಿಲೀಟ್ ಆಗ್ತದೆ. ಸೊ ಅದಕ್ಕೆ ಒಂದು ಕಾಪಿ ಮಾಡಿದರೆ ನಿಮಗೆ ಯೂಸ್ ಮಾಡ್ಬೋದು. ಸೊ ಯು ಕ್ಯಾನ್ ಪ್ಲೀಸ್ ಕಾಪಿ ದಿಸ್ and you can use this information later. Okay. Yes, so my name is Roger Pinto, and this is our business opportunity. It is called Mac Realty Business Opportunity. Okay, so Mac Associates is our company, and warm welcome to all of you joining us from different parts of India. We have associates from Mumbai, from Goa, from Bangalore, from Shivamogga, from Mumbai, and different cities who are joining us today. So first of all, a warm welcome to all of you. Okay, so the name of our company is called Mac Associates, and we are into real estate. Okay, so this is a real estate business opportunity. It is based on real estate. Okay, the importance of real estate is growing day by day. ಏನಾಗ್ತಾ ಉಂಟಂದ್ರೆ ಇವತ್ತು ಕೋವಿಡ್ ಸಿಚುವೇಶನ್ ಅಲ್ಲಿ ನಾವು ಎಲ್ಲರೂ ನಮ್ಮ ಮನೆಯಲ್ಲಿದ್ದೇವೆ. ಓಕೆ, ಅವರ್ ಹೌಸ್ ಇಸ್ ಬಿಕಮ್ ಅವರ್ ಸೇಫ್ಟಿ ಡೆನ್. ವಿ ಆರ್ ಆಲ್ ಇನ್ಸೈಡ್ ಅವರ್ ಹೌಸ್. ವಿ ಆರ್ ಫೀಲಿಂಗ್ ವೆರಿ ಸೇಫ್ ಇನ್ಸೈಡ್ ಅವರ್ ಹೌಸ್. ದೆರ್ ಇಸ್ ಅ ಲಾಕ್ಡೌನ್ ಔಟ್ಸೈಡ್ ಇನ್ ಮೆನಿ cities. Some cities there is a restricted movement, and all of us are safe because we are inside our house. Today if you see, lot of people are working from home. ಮನೆಯಿಂದನೇ ಕೆಲಸ ಮಾಡಲಿಕ್ಕೆ ಒಂದು ಆಪ್ಷನ್ ಸಿಗ್ತಾ ಉಂಟು ಎಲ್ಲರಿಗೆ. Where do we work from? Our house. So lot of companies are telling today that next 1 year or next 2 years you will be able to work from home. So what is the meaning of work from home? We are working, we are using our house as an office. Lot of children, they are not going to school these days. ಶಾಲೆಗೆ ಮಕ್ಕಳು ಹೋಗ್ತಾ ಇಲ್ಲ. They are having their classes from their house. So a part of the house has become a school. So in today's changing time, our house is become very, very important for us, because our house is a place for safety. To quarantine, they will tell you home quarantine. So it has become like a nursing home. It has become a school. It has become an office, and it has become a home. So the importance of real estate is more today than it was few years back. ಇವತ್ತು ರಿಯಲ್ ಎಸ್ಟೇಟ್ ಇಂಪಾರ್ಟೆನ್ಸ್ ಹೆಚ್ಚಾಗಿದೆ. ಮಕ್ಕಳು ಮನೆಯಿಂದ ಶಾಲೆಗೆ ಹೋಗ್ತಾರೆ, ಮನೆಯಲ್ಲೇ ಶಾಲೆದು ಪಾಠ ಎಲ್ಲ ಕೇಳ್ತಾರೆ. ಪೇರೆಂಟ್ಸ್ ವರ್ಕ್ ಫ್ರಮ್ ಹೋಮ್ ಅಲ್ಲಿ ಇದ್ದಾರೆ. ಕೆಲವರು ಹುಷಾರಿಲ್ಲದವರು ಕ್ವಾರಂಟೈನ್ ಆಗಿದ್ದಾರೆ ಮನೆಯಲ್ಲಿ. ಕೆಲವರು ಸೇಫ್ಟಿಗೋಸ್ಕರ ಮನೆಯಲ್ಲೇ ಇದ್ದೇವೆ ನಾವು. ಎಲ್ಲ ಕಡೆ ಲಾಕ್ಡೌನ್ ಇದೆ. So the value of a house has become more today. So when there is such a high value for a house, and we are in the business of real estate, so it is the right business for the right time. It is a service what we are doing in this business. Lot of people are staying on rent. A lot of people, they are staying on rent. ತಿಂಗಳಿಗೆ ರೆಂಟ್ ಕೊಡ್ಬೇಕಾ? Do you have to pay rent every month? Yes. You are working or not working. Do you have to pay the rent every month? Yes. If you work or if you don't work, if you are getting half salary or you are getting no salary, you have to work, or you don't have work, you have to pay the rent. So the importance of having your own house is become more. ನಿಮಗೆ ಕೆಲಸ ಇರಲಿ ಇಲ್ಲದೆ ಇರಲಿ, ಅರ್ಧ ಸಂಬಳ ಇಲ್ಲದ್ರೆ ನೋ ಸ್ಯಾಲರಿ, ಬಾಡಿಗೆ ಕಟ್ಟಬೇಕಲ್ಲ ಎಲ್ರಿಗೆ. ಎಲ್ಲರೂ ಕಟ್ಟಲೇಬೇಕು. ಬಾಡಿಗೆಯಲ್ಲಿ ಇದ್ದವರು ಬಾಡಿಗೆ ಕಟ್ತಾ ಇರಬೇಕು. ಕ್ಯಾನ್ ಯು ಸೇ 2 months I will not pay, then I will pay when I get a job? Can you say that? No. So real estate, you are having your own house, has become more important today. If this lockdown goes for 1 year, if you are in your own house, you don't have rental expense. But if you are in rented house, you have to pay the rent. So the value of real estate is becoming more and more. ರಿಯಲ್ ಎಸ್ಟೇಟ್ ಇದು ಇಂಪಾರ್ಟೆನ್ಸ್ ಹೆಚ್ಚಾಗ್ತಾ ಉಂಟು. Today our population is increasing. Why the value of real estate is becoming more is because value of real estate is depending on demand and supply. Any value. ಒಂದು 10 ಫ್ರೂಟ್ಸ್ ಉಂಟು, ಒಂದು ಮ್ಯಾಂಗೋಸ್ ಇಟ್ಕೊಳ್ಳಿ. ಓಕೆ, there are 10 mangoes, 20 buyers. Value of the mango is 20 rupees. When there are 40 buyers and only 20 mangoes value become 40 rupees. When there are 100 buyers, it becomes 50 rupees. When there are 1000 buyers, it becomes 100 rupees. With more demand, less supply, value of any product will increase. We are in the business of real estate where there is fixed land. ಲ್ಯಾಂಡ್ ಏನಾದರೂ ಜಾಸ್ತಿ ಆಗ್ತಾ ಉಂಟಾ? ಇಲ್ಲ. ಎಷ್ಟು ಭೂಮಿ ಉಂಟು ಅಷ್ಟೇ ಇರುವುದಲ್ಲ. ರಿಯಲ್ ಎಸ್ಟೇಟ್ is governed by the principles of demand and supply. Population is increasing day by day. The land is fixed. If one house there are 4 children, ಒಂದು ಮನೆಯಲ್ಲಿ 4 ಮಕ್ಕಳು ಇದ್ದಾರೆ, 1 ಎಕರೆ ಜಾಗ ಉಂಟು, ಡಿವೈಡ್ ಆಗೋ ಎಷ್ಟಾಯ್ತು? ಒಬ್ಬೊಬ್ಬರಿಗೆ 25 ಸೆಂಟ್ಸ್ ಆಯ್ತು. 25% will go to 4 people, so 100%. 1 acre of land became 25 cents. Tomorrow when they have 2 children, it will become 12.5 cents. When they have 1 child or 2 children, again it becomes half. So with the time the population is increasing, the land is fixed. So land is always in demand. So we are in the business of real estate. Okay, so welcome to this wonderful business opportunity. Today you are able to see us through Zoom, and our business is a business opportunity where you can work with us through Zoom, where you can work with us online, and where you don't need to worry about the difficulties of real estate. Okay, so this is our website. Those of you who have joined this meeting through somebody, when you register for this meeting, you need to have a sponsor. ಈ business ಅಲ್ಲಿ ನಿಮಗೆ ಸ್ಪಾನ್ಸರ್ ಬೇಕೇ ಬೇಕು, ನಿಮಗೆ ಗೈಡ್ ಮಾಡಲಿಕ್ಕೆ. You cannot join this business without a sponsor. So when you are visiting this website, there is a registration form. Okay, and when you reach the sponsor column, you mention the name of the sponsor. If you keep blank, you are joining the company directly, but you will not receive the kind of mentorship which your sponsor will give. So if somebody has invited you, ಅವರದ್ದು ಹೆಸರು ಇಲ್ಲಿ ಹಾಕಿ, put their name and put their reference number. So in this business, your reference number is your Aadhaar card number, is your reference number or your registration number. So this business opportunity is in real estate only for Indians. Anybody from anywhere in the world can join and work in this real estate business. Okay, so like anything good in life, ಏನಾದರೂ ಒಳ್ಳೆ ವಸ್ತು ನಮಗೆ ನಾವೊಂದು ಪರ್ಚೇಸ್ ಮಾಡುವಾಗ ನಾವು ಅದು ಪ್ರಮೋಟ್ ಮಾಡ್ತೇವೆ, ನಮಗೆ ಖುಷಿ ಆಗುವಾಗ ಒಂದು ಸರ್ವಿಸ್ ನಾವು ಎಲ್ಲರಿಗೆ ಹೇಳ್ತೇವೆ. ಎನಿಥಿಂಗ್ ಗುಡ್ ಇನ್ ಲೈಫ್ ವಿ ಲೈಕ್ ಟು ಪ್ರಮೋಟ್. ಯು ಗೋ ಟು ಅ ಗುಡ್ ಹೋಟೆಲ್, ಯು ಲೈಕ್ ದ ಫುಡ್, ಯು ಟೆಲ್ ಯುವರ್ ಫ್ರೆಂಡ್ಸ್. ಯು ಗೋ ಟು ಅ ಗುಡ್ ಮೂವಿ, ಒಳ್ಳೆ ಪಿಕ್ಚರ್, ನಿಮ್ಮ ಫ್ರೆಂಡ್ಸಿಗೆ ಹೇಳ್ತೀರಾ. ಯು ಗೋ ಟು ಅ ಗುಡ್ ವೆಬ್ಸೈಟ್, ಗೆಟ್ ಗುಡ್ ಡಿಸ್ಕೌಂಟ್, ಯು ಟೆಲ್ ಯುವರ್ ಫ್ರೆಂಡ್ಸ್. ಸೊ human beings, they like to share whatever is good. So here is a business opportunity that you are doing from last many years without knowing. You went to Flipkart, you bought some products, you liked it, you told your friends. You went to a good hotel, you liked the biryani, you told your friends. You went for a good movie, oh पिक्चर तो बहुत अच्छी है, आपने आपके दोस्तों को बताया. क्या हुआ ये 3 केसेस में? मूवी के प्रोड्यूसर और एक्टर्स को रॉयल्टी मिली, थिएटर ओनर को इनकम मिला, टिकट इनकम, रेस्टोरेंट के ओनर को मुनाफा हुआ, he got the profit, and the website Amazon or Flipkart, they got your business, they got profit. Who did the publicity? You did the publicity. So any good product, any good service, you are the word of mouth brand ambassadors. You are doing this business from day one. You are telling everybody, oh ये अच्छा है, वो अच्छा है, ये अच्छा है, उधर से खरीदो, इधर से खरीदो, ये जगह अच्छी है, वो जगह अच्छी है, इधर जाओ, उधर जाओ. We are doing the promotion on daily basis, knowing or not knowing. That is called word of mouth business. So here is a business opportunity. जो आप कर रहे हैं वही आपको करना है. ಏನು ನೀವು ಮಾಡ್ತಾ ಬಂದಿದ್ದೀರಾ ಇಷ್ಟವರೆಗೆ? ಹೋಟೆಲ್ ಫೇಮಸ್ ಮಾಡೋದು, ವೆಬ್ಸೈಟ್ ಫೇಮಸ್ ಮಾಡೋದು, ಇಲ್ಲಾದ್ರೆ ಒಂದು ಅಂಗಡಿ ಫೇಮಸ್ ಮಾಡೋದು, ಅದೇ ಕೆಲಸ ಮಾಡಿ, ಬಟ್ ಇನ್ ದ ರಿಯಲ್ ಎಸ್ಟೇಟ್ ಸ್ಪೇಸ್. Okay, so in our family, in our friends, in our relatives, lot of people are looking for properties. Okay, and we have properties. We have taken the care to select selected properties, not every properties. Real estate ಅಲ್ಲಿ ಬೇಕಾದಷ್ಟು ಪ್ರಾಪರ್ಟೀಸ್ ಇರ್ತದೆ. There are thousands and lakhs of properties, but there are some good properties, there are some very good properties, there are some excellent properties, there are some very bad properties. So we have selected few properties in different cities and we have created this business opportunity. So ನಾವು ಇಲ್ಲಿ ಏನು ಮಾಡ್ತೇವೆ ಅಂದ್ರೆ ಪ್ರಾಪರ್ಟೀಸ್ ಅನ್ನು ಸ್ಟಡಿ ಮಾಡ್ತೇವೆ, ಪ್ರಾಪರ್ಟೀಸ್ ಅನ್ನು ಪ್ರಮೋಟ್ ಮಾಡ್ತೇವೆ. We study regarding the properties and we promote the properties. So what happens is that if you go to our page, first page you will come to know regarding the opportunity. You can see the presentation. Okay, there is a Kannada presentation, there is a English presentation, there is a registration form, and somebody wants to join from your family friend circle, click this form and put your name in the sponsor name. So you are sponsoring somebody in the business. Get link and copy that link and then send it in WhatsApp, Facebook, anywhere you can copy paste and you can send that link. Okay, so share the form, get link, copy link and share that link. Now properties, we are in the business of real estate. So we have two types of properties: company projects and resale properties. Okay, company projects are the projects which you promote, which we give. The company gives you projects to promote, and what properties in your area you can give us, that is called resale. Okay, so two types of business is there. One is promoting the company properties, one is कंपनी प्रोमोटिंग योर प्रॉपर्टीज. अगर आपके पास कोई घर है ಸೇಲ್ करने को, आप हमें दे सकते हैं. ನಿಮ್ಮೊಟ್ಟಿಗೆ ಯಾವುದಾದ್ರು ಜಾಗ ಉಂಟು, ಮನೆ ಉಂಟು, ಏನಾದ್ರು ಫ್ಲಾಟ್ ಉಂಟು, ಅದು ನೀವು ನಮಗೆ ಕೊಡಬಹುದು. ದಟ್ ಇಸ್ ಕಾಲ್ಡ್ ರೀಸೇಲ್ ಪ್ರಾಪರ್ಟಿ. ಅಂಡ್ ಕಂಪನಿ ಪ್ರಾಜೆಕ್ಟ್ಸ್ ಆರ್ ಕಾಲ್ಡ್ the company properties. When you promote the company's projects, you get 90% commission without doing the site visit. Okay, so in this company projects, you will see here there is a business opportunity. Important, I will explain you today regarding this. There is a registration form where you can see who has registered with us. There is a free advertisement website and resources. These three things are very important to see. Okay, 1 2 3 ಇದು 3 folders ಅನ್ನು ನೋಡಿ. Business opportunity. Okay, so this is a real estate based business which you can do sitting in your house. So same like how we are promoting any product, you promote properties. So it is based on real estate. It is necessity based. रोटी कपड़ा और मकान जैसे इसमें मकान हम लोग promote करते हैं. And there is a guaranteed appreciation with time. So you are promoting a product which will always increase in value. इसकी गारंटी मैं आपको दे सकता हूं, क्योंकि आपका घर, आपकी जमीन या आपका कोई भी दुकान है तो इसकी प्राइस आप देखते जाओ. 10 साल पहले कितनी थी, 20 साल पहले कितनी थी, जमीन की वैल्यू 5 साल पहले कितनी थी और आज कितनी है. डेफिनेटली इट वुड हैव इंक्रीज्ड. ओके, इन मैंगलोर when we started our first project, we were selling at 1750 per square feet in 2010. Today we are selling our current project for 4250 rupees per square feet. 1750 किधर है, 4250 किधर है, in the matter of 10-11 years. So over a period of 10 20 30 years, the value of properties would have become very high. So there is a guaranteed appreciation with time. लेकिन इसमें प्रॉब्लम क्या है? नॉर्मल रियल एस्टेट जो करते हैं इसमें बहुत सारे प्रॉब्लम्स भी हैं. जैसे आपको जानकारी होनी है. You should know when you're doing the business as a consultant, you have a lot of things to know. For example, lot of expenses are involved in doing real estate. आपको ट्रैवल करना होता है, साइट विजिट्स करने होते हैं, प्रॉपर्टीज के बारे में स्टडी करना होता है, कन्विंस करना होता है कस्टमर्स को, लीगल डॉक्यूमेंटेशन नॉलेज, and finally you have to fight for your commission after doing all the work. And normally the commission is shared between 3 to 4 agents. एक ಬಾಯರ್ ಏಜೆಂಟ್ है, एक ಸೆಲ್ಲರ್ ಏಜೆಂಟ್ है. ಒಬ್ರು ಬಾಯರ್ ಏಜೆಂಟ್ ಇರ್ತಾರೆ, ಒಬ್ರು ಸೆಲ್ಲರ್ ಏಜೆಂಟ್ ಇರ್ತಾರೆ, ನಡುವೆ 2-3 ಜನ ಇರ್ತಾರೆ. ಲಾಸ್ಟ್ಗೆ ಕಮಿಷನ್ ಡಿವೈಡ್ ಆಗುವಾಗ ಒಬ್ಬೊಬ್ರಿಗೆ ಸಿಕ್ಕುದು 1/3 or half or quarter commission. after doing everything. So we have created a solution where you don't need to do the site visit. All this headache is handled by the company. आप सिर्फ एक काम कर सकते हैं, वो है प्रमोशन का. आप चाहे तो ये सभी काम कर सकते हैं हमारे साथ. You can do the traveling, site visits and everything with us, but we give you a liberty. Only do the promotion. Don't worry about all this headache, because promotion you do online through Facebook, through WhatsApp, through websites. बहुत सारे ऐसे websites हैं जहां पर आप free में ad डाल सकते हो. Okay, so this free website where you will get in our company project, if you see here we have made one section called free websites. देखिए कितने सारे websites free हैं. Okay, see here makan.com. Okay, you can put 3 ads for free. 99 acres एक ad डाल सकते हो. Magic Brick एक ad डाल सकते हो. nobroker.in इसमें ad डाल सकते हो. कॉमन फ्लोर, प्रॉपर्टी वाला, जिक्स में आप अनलिमिटेड डाल सकते हो. सुलेखा में एक डाल सकते हो. हाउसिंग में यू कैन पुट 5 एड्स. प्रॉपर्टी टाइगर, क्विकर होम्स, quicker.com/home, olx.in. These are all the websites where you are getting free ads you can post. You can go to Facebook. ओके, फेसबुक में जाके आप अपना एक पेज बना सकते हो. जैसे बहुत सारे हमारे एसोसिएट्स हैं, lot of our associates, they have made their pages like daily property update, no Ravi, daily property update or updates. I'll show you some pages. Daily property update 2020, I think, no, there are a lot of pages created by our associates which you can see and you can study these pages. Ravi, can you just tell me your website?
Daily properties updates. Sir. Yeah,
daily properties, no,
properties.
update, no,
PIES. Update is yes is not there. Just update.
okay, daily properties update. Okay, so
Yeah,
this
yeah.
is a
Correct.
website done by Ravi. Okay, where what he has done is he has made one page, he has put his number, he has created one logo, and he's putting the properties, all the company projects he's posting here, and he is making this page famous. So a lot of people can like this page, they can share this page, and a lot of people are also following this page. So now 892 लोग ये पेज को फॉलो करते हैं क्योंकि इन्होंने ये पेज फेमस बनाई है. कैसे फेमस बनाई है? इसमें ಇದರಲ್ಲಿ ಒಂದು ಆಡ್ ಹಾಕಿ ಅವರು ಒಂದು 10 20 30 ಕಡೆ ಶೇರ್ ಮಾಡ್ತಿದ್ದಾರೆ ನೋಡಿ. 24 shares. He has put this ad in one place and he has shared it in so many groups. Okay, so many groups, as you can see, real estate Bangalore, he has shared it in other real estate market. Where you get these groups? You get these groups in Facebook in under groups. So you go to groups, in search groups you write real estate Bangalore. If you're promoting in Bangalore, you'll get a lot of groups. You have to join these groups. Okay, once you join these groups, you can go to these groups and you can put the post. So ಹರ್ ಆಡ್, ಎಲ್ಲ ಆಡ್ ಇದು ಡೀಟೇಲ್ಸ್ ನಿಮಗೆ ಈ ಫೋಲ್ಡರ್ ಅಲ್ಲಿ ಸಿಗ್ತದೆ, ಕಂಪನಿ ಪ್ರಾಜೆಕ್ಟ್ಸ್ ಫೋಲ್ಡರ್. ಓಕೆ, ಇದೇ ತರ ನಮ್ಮೊಟ್ಟಿಗೆ ಇನ್ನೊಂದು ಫೋಲ್ಡರ್ ಉಂಟು ವಿಚ್ ಇಸ್ ಕಾಲ್ಡ್ ಫಾರ್ ಯೋರ್ ರೀಸೇಲ್ ಪ್ರಾಪರ್ಟೀಸ್. ಇಫ್ ಯು ಹ್ಯಾವ್ ಎನಿ ಪ್ರಾಪರ್ಟಿ ಟು ಗಿವ್ ಅಸ್, it is called bookyourhome.in. okay, book your home is experiencing some technical difficulties. Okay, we will check what is the issue. bookyourhome.in, we'll just check what is the issue with the website. Okay, so maybe the server is down. So this is another website, somebody can put it in the chat so all can see it later on. Okay, so what happens is in this business you promote the properties. When you promote the properties you will get the enquiry. ಈ ಎನ್ಕ್ವೈರಿ ನೀವು ಹೇಗೆ ನಮಗೆ ಕೊಡ್ಬೋದು? ಹೌ ಯು ಕ್ಯಾನ್ ಗಿವ್ ಅಸ್ ದಿಸ್ ಎನ್ಕ್ವೈರೀಸ್ ಥ್ರೂ CRM. You click on CRM. First you have to sign up. You will get a link on your email for your password. You give a password, then you can log in. Once you log in, you can create a ticket. One client is one ticket. Okay, एक ಕ್ಲೈಂಟ್ मतलब एक ಟಿಕೆಟ್. ಒಬ್ರು ಅಂದ್ರೆ ಒಂದು ಕ್ಲೈಂಟ್ ಅಂದ್ರೆ ಒಂದು ಟಿಕೆಟ್. ಈ ಟಿಕೆಟ್ ಹೇಗೆ ರೇಸ್ ಮಾಡೋದು? ರೇಸ್ ಟಿಕೆಟ್ ಅಂತ ಉಂಟು ಆಪ್ಷನ್. ಇಲ್ಲಿ ನೀವು ಹೆಸರು ಹಾಕಿ, ಕ್ಲೈಂಟ್ ಇದ್ದು ಅವರ ನಂಬರ್ ಹಾಕಿ, ಯಾವ ಪ್ರಾಜೆಕ್ಟ್ ಎನ್ಕ್ವೈರಿ ಅಂತ ಹಾಕಿ, ಮತ್ತೆ ಡಿಸ್ಕ್ರಿಪ್ಷನ್ ಕೊಡಿ. ಸಚಿನ್ ವಾಂಟ್ಸ್ ಟು ಸಿ ದ GHD Angan Goa project on Sunday in the afternoon. Some tips to help us to some comments, and you can submit the ticket. When you submit the ticket, what will happen is we will receive the ticket and once we receive the ticket, we will put some notes for that ticket, and we will try to take that ticket to the next stage. Okay, so Ravi Shankar has given one ticket. Abu Bakar Mehman looking in Mangalore, looking for 2 BHK Rosary Cottage. Now, when our team is working on this, they will put the notes. It will come here below. So some tickets, if I can just show you some tickets where where the deal is done. If I can put the status as see, in this different status are there. Associate action is what action you have to take. Awaiting customer responses, we are waiting for the customer. Closed is not interested. Deal done is very good, you get a deal. Deal in progress, okay, ಕೆಲಸ ಆಗ್ತಾ ಉಂಟು. ನ್ಯೂ ರಿಕ್ವೈರ್ಮೆಂಟ್, ಕಸ್ಟಮರ್ದು ಬೇರೆನೇ ರಿಕ್ವೈರ್ಮೆಂಟ್ ಇದೆ, ನಾವು ಹುಡುಕ್ತಾ ಇದ್ದೇವೆ. ನಾಟ್ ಆನ್ಸರಿಂಗ್, ನಾಟ್ ಇಂಟ್ರೆಸ್ಟೆಡ್, ಯು ನೋ ದ ಮೀನಿಂಗ್. Okay, resolved is closed. Site visit done is done. Site visit is set. Suppose if I put site visit set, and if I am putting any property, definitely you can see the notes in that. What is the notes, what has happened, where it is going. It is a two-way communication between the customers and the associates. Okay, so associate, company, customer. So what is the notes? Everything you can see the communication. Okay, hi, sorry, couldn't visit, I had to return to Mumbai, we'll contact you again once I'm back in Mangalore. This is 20 days back, it has come, it is acknowledged. Okay, so same like this, when the status is deal done, that also you can see the notes. Okay, so in the status, if I put deal done, you can see that how the deal is done, what is the work which has happened, what has happened. So you can see the notes. Okay, and it is a very transparent system. ಯಾಕೆ ಟ್ರಾನ್ಸ್ಪರೆನ್ಸಿ ಉಂಟು ಹೇಳಿದ್ರೆ, ಇದರಲ್ಲಿ ಟೂ ವೇ ಕಮ್ಯುನಿಕೇಶನ್. ಇದರಲ್ಲಿ ನೋಡಿ, ಮೈರಾನ್ ಬೆರೆಟೋ, he has given us a client, Jacinta Pinto for NJ Aura. This is her number. Interested to see this apartment. Was asking for negotiation of the price. Looking for 2 BHK flat. Today she wants to visit. She will inform the same. Client not ready to pay brokerage. Wanted to direct property from the builder, so she saw online price of 49 lakh. Client has visited Aura apartment. Sitting is done. Token is also paid by the client. Congratulations, she has paid a token to book the apartment. Loan is process started. It should be concluded in 1 month's time. Commission will be paid out. So in this business, you get commission by online transfer to your bank account. Okay, so you can sit in Mumbai and or Delhi or Bangalore or Dubai or Singapore. The money will be paid to your Indian bank account. Okay, so this is the bank details, and we have paid the commission of 51,000 rupees for this deal. So how is the commission paid? What is the commission structure? I'll directly jump to that. Let me just share the screen. Okay, let me just share the screen, that how the commission is being paid in this business. See here, this is you. Okay, and if you do any deal, if you give any customer and the customer buys the company project, 75% of the commission is given to you. 25% of the commission goes to the company. Okay, now suppose somebody under you, okay, think that you are doing this business with your team. Okay, this is A. My handwriting is very bad. Okay, ಸ್ವಲ್ಪ ಅರ್ಥ ಮಾಡ್ಲಿಕ್ಕೆ ನೋಡಿ, ಇಲ್ಲಿ DE, ಇದು ನಿಮ್ಮ ಫ್ರಂಟ್ ಲೈನ್ ಹೇಳ್ತೇವೆ ನಾವು, ಇದು ನಿಮ್ಮ ಫಸ್ಟ್ ಲೆವೆಲ್. ಓಕೆ, ನಿಮ್ಮ ಫಸ್ಟ್ ಲೆವೆಲ್ ಅಲ್ಲಿ ಯಾರಾದ್ರೂ ಡೀಲ್ ಮಾಡಿದ್ರೆ 75% ಅವರಿಗೆ ಹೋಗ್ತದೆ. ಉಳಿದದ್ದು 25% ಅಲ್ಲಿ ಕಂಪನಿ ಏನ್ ಮಾಡ್ತದೆ ಅಂದ್ರೆ, ವಾಟ್ ವಿ ಡೂ ಇಸ್ ದಟ್ ಇನ್ ದಿಸ್ 25% we give 15% in the network. 15% commission goes to network, and only 10% goes to the company. 10% goes to the company. So this 15% is given in 7 levels. 7 levels. What is this is the first level. Now under A, if some A1 joined, A2 joined, and A3 joined. Okay, this is the second level. Okay, same like this, under A2 it became A21. Okay, this is the third level. So like this, 7th level is the, till the 7th level you get the commission in this business. So what is the commission we give? You can see here, your 7th level did a deal, 75% उनको जाता है जिसने क्लाइंट दिया है. 15% कमीशन है ना, वो पे आउट में जाता है, लेवल में जाता है. 10% कंपनी को जाता है, 15% में 7 लेवल तक डिवाइड होके जाता है. जैसे डायरेक्ट इसके स्पॉन्सर को 50%, 50% ಕಮಿಷನ್ ಇವರಿಗೆ ಸಿಗ್ತದೆ ಸ್ಪಾನ್ಸರಿಗೆ. ಅದರ ಮೇಲೆ ಇದ್ದರೆ 10%, 7.5, 5, 5, 10, 50 + 10 60, 67.5, 77.5, 87.5 and 77.5 plus 12.5. Total, you know the mathematics. Total, if you do, you will get 90% commission. Here, if you add all this, it will become 100. 50, 60, 70, 80, 90, and if you add the rest, it becomes 100. So this is the payout of the company. Okay. So what is this business? This is a business of throwing the stones. You are putting ads everywhere. You are throwing the stones everywhere. One or the other stone will hit the mango and the mango will fall. You create a team. What it means? ನಿಮ್ಮೊಟ್ಟಿಗೆ 10 ಜನ ಸೇರಿ ನೀವು ಕಲ್ಲು ಬಿಸಾಡುದು ಮಾವಿನ ಮರಗೆ. 10 ಜನ ಸೇರುವಾಗ ಕಲ್ಲು ಜಾಸ್ತಿ ಇರ್ತದೆ. Definitely the mangoes will fall. So you need to do this business like a team, because it is a teamwork. You get paid for your team's turnover. This single man business is single man business. But if you do it with your team and think that you have a team of around say about 50 people or 60 people or 80 people, what is the growth of this business? I will tell you. Suppose you have a team of 100 people spending 2 hours in a day. How many hours of productivity you got? 200 hours of result you will get. Site visit is done by the company. Don't need to worry about site visit. If you want to do the site visit, you can do the site visit in this business. So remaining time is 7 minutes and 40 seconds. So anybody who's got any doubts, you can ask me. So how to join this? Who are the achievers? Achievers can share their few 1 to 2 minutes. The achievers, can you please speak? Whoever has got a check in the business. I think already Ravi has got, and Ravi Shankar Kedampadi has got. Siddiq, I don't know. Chandrakant, Shivan Shetty. Small checks also you can speak. Suraj can speak. So kindly share your small tips for the new people. And anybody wants to share
Hi.
anything, you can do. Yes, Ravi, tell me.
Good morning, all. Good morning, team.
Good morning.
My name is Ravi Shankar Ake. Actually, I joined this Mac Realty business in the month of March 2020. I directly went to Mac Realty office and spoke with Roger sir, and then I found it like very interesting. Actually, I did not have any knowledge in the real estate field when I joined this Mac Realty, and I got good guidance from the Roger sir and the team. So I started working on this, and after that, at first I got a check of 45,000 for Palace Garden. That was my first check that I earned in Mac Realty, that I earned in the month of June or July 2020. Then after that, I got some 2-3 referral checks, small amount. That is the importance of this business, because when our downlines does a business, we can get a small share of that. So around nearly 8,000 something I got, nearly 3 checks I got for that reference check.
Okay.
Then after that, still I'm going to get one more that not yet got, but I'm going to get it soon.
Yes.
And
So
what I did is,
yes,
I
please,
created
please.
a Facebook page, as Roger sir has already showed you all. So I request all to create one Facebook page, and then also if possible Instagram. So then start posting in free websites and all. So you can day by day improve your business and earn good income in this one.
See, this is a page of Ravi Shankar K. And this is his page, how he has created. You can see there are a lot of free image websites also. ಇದರಲ್ಲಿ free image website ಗೆ ಹೋಗಿದ್ರೆ, suppose if I'm going to one website and showing you, you can go to these free websites. Yes.
Excuse me.
Yes.
Yeah, I had one suggestion.
Yes.
If the images what we have in our website, few of the images of the projects, they are like either from some other website like that, Protiger and all those images.
Okay. Which project? Which project?
I'm not recollecting exactly.
Okay.
I think it was in Mangalore. Yeah, my suggestion is like if we can get directly from the like builders, like the
These
promotion
are all
projects.
most of the images. Okay, some of them I think you might have seen some images in
Yeah,
Palace
because when we
Gardens.
posted,
Yeah,
maybe Palace Gardens. Also, like if we get all the like from the if you are doing promotion project, we get the proper images. Then
yes,
even the like we can get better quality images. That's
definitely,
my point.
definitely. That for any project where you need more images, you can please ask us. Most of them we
Okay.
have the actual photos of the image itself. Maybe one or two cases, some marketing images may be taken from somewhere. But other than that, we always try to see that we are giving the same images. Maybe in Palace Gardens, there might have been some images which may have been
I think
taken
it's
from.
Palace Gardens,
No, but these are all.
not Palace Garden, not
No, these are all actual images. So
actual
any
images.
website
Okay.
where you have images which are not actual, please let us know. We can remove those images off because we try to put only
Okay.
the project images. Okay, wherever you have seen, you let us know. Maybe later date also. But these are all,
Okay.
we try our best to give you the actual images. But suppose you
Okay.
want some additional images, you can go to free property image websites. We have listed them here, and you can just search for real estate. Okay. So sometimes what happens, people want to see some some general images like a idea, like a concept. So you can take the
Of
concept
interior.
images from the websites. Okay. Yes, thank you for your suggestion.
Okay.
Anybody else has got any
Okay.
doubts, please? Any suggestions, any doubts? And one more point I want to emphasize. Now we have started marketing a project from Century Developers in Bangalore, and we are planning to create WhatsApp group directly with the builder's office. So if you go to Bangalore, if you go to Century Ethos, which is a project on the Bangalore airport road, very beautiful project which we are marketing, and it's a uber luxury project where flat prices are in the range of around 3.5 crores. Commission will be in the range of 6 to 7 lakh rupees, and your work is to just to promote and register the customers. So don't throw one stone, throw 100 stones. Definitely the mango you can hit it that time. So try to post maximum ads. And if you see in this, we have given the WhatsApp group link also. If you click on this link, you can directly chat with the Century team, Century Mac team, and directly you can ask your doubts also. But try to study the project first, and then you can ask the doubts. And this is a beautiful project which we are marketing. So I request you to see that, and slowly we'll be putting like this WhatsApp group links in the project, so you can directly get in touch with the company and as well as the marketing team of the builder. Okay. So
Sir, 1 minute left. One
yes,
minute left. I think.
yeah.
Rejoin.
So any doubts anybody has got, we will rejoin for 10-minute session. Okay, now we are at 11:38, 11:40. This meeting is getting over. So till 12 o'clock. So we will be having this meeting. Anybody is having any doubts, you can please ask us. Anyone wants to ask any doubts? Especially the
Rejoin
new.
with the same link.
Yeah.
Rejoin with the
Rejoin with the
same.
same link. Okay, the same link which you used to join. If you want the link for any of our meetings, you can get it in our Facebook page, that is Mac Realty Network. So I will send it in the chat for you. So in the chat, I'm just putting the link. All of you can click that link, and you can go to this Facebook page, get the link, and join the link, and come back for Power Pack 10 minutes doubt clearance session. Anybody wants to ask anything, they can ask, and we are here to help you. Okay, so let's
Sir,
rejoin.
can you please check my recent ticket, because that is very complicated ticket.
Okay, sure. I'll do that. Yes.